Good morning again. It's a beautiful day outside. Look at this weather. It is gorgeous. Wow. So nice and rainy. Look at that. Look at that, Bella. It's so nice out. It's such a crappy day today that the poodles wouldn't even go outside. They said no. Actually, Bella did go outside for a minute, but then she daintily refused to walk into the grass. So, oh well. So it is breakfast and vitamins time. This is a morning ritual for me ever since I started trying to lose weight. So for the past 65 days or something, I've been what the bodybuilding world calls cutting, which is where you try to bring your body fat down by eating at a calorie deficit, and you do more cardio so that your body will burn fat, as opposed to bulking, where the goal is to put on muscle. I don't know where stuff is. Excuse me. I just want a plate. Oh yeah. Sorry, I just woke up. So one of the best and most fun things about being on a cutting diet, they say not to use the word diet, so changing your lifestyle is that you get to eat a lot of chicken and rice. I mean, you don't have to. You don't have to. But you can if you want to. So this is my little to-go bag. Chicken, brown rice. Whoa. This is not mine. This is for babies. Hello? How can you tell? No. Oh yeah, I gotta work out. Doing arms, chest, hypertrophy today. Because I skipped it yesterday. Because I said I would do it today. So now I gotta do it today. And then get ready for work. Work 3 to 8. And I'm done. To the gym. Huzzah! Look at this. This is good. What beautiful, beautiful weather we're having. Oh my. Look at that. Rainy. There's my little superheroes. Thor, Iron Man, and the Punisher. That's what they call me at the gym. Thor, Iron Man, the Punisher. All three of them put together. You'll see. You'll see when we get there. I just got to the gym and I got a really good parking spot. It's like right in the front. And the car next to me's trunk is open, and I'm having a moral dilemma of whether I should shut it because it's raining, or don't touch it because it's not mine, or don't shut it because the alarm might go off. But I think I'm just gonna try to shut it. And I would film it, but it's raining and I don't want to ruin my camera. Wish me luck. I hope I don't get arrested. I can do it. So this is me at the gym doing flat bench, dumbbell bench press of 80 pounds. It's part of Lane Norton's training program. This is the hypertrophy way. This is just one of the chest exercises. And look at those legs shaking. Yeah. This is dumbbell incline bench. This one is for the upper chest. 60 pounds. I was doing 65. And then 60 on the last set because my little chicken arms couldn't take it anymore. And then
incline chest machine. This is the 15 rep set. This is killer. It gets to 10, and then those last 5 are like, ouch. This is tricep. Tricep, easy bar, overhead press, skull crushers, 40 pounds. 12 pounds? 15 pounds? And there's some random dude over there. Yep. I also did biceps, some more tricep stuff, but it was hard to film.
I just left the gym. I did chest and arms. It was good. I was pushing it. I weighed myself at the end of my workout, and I am down to 213. 9 weeks ago. 9 weeks ago, I was 234, and now I'm 213. That is 21. I can't do math. That's good. Just went to Batteries Plus, the battery retail store for all your battery needs, charging once, and I got extra battery for my camera. Check it. Bam, Rayovac. And I used a coupon that I printed offline, so I saved $5. And bonus, I found a charger, a universal charger. Check it out. You can plug it in your car, so I can charge my battery in the car. That's so convenient. It makes me want to throw up. It's so cool. I'm going home. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna charge my battery while I drive. Now I'm southern. Bye. Did I say bye every time I finish this? I'm gonna stop saying bye. Excuse me. Thank you, Eric, for unknowingly sharing your cinnamon roll protein shake with me. It's delicious. Also, a teaspoon of peanut butter. That peanut butter is not natural. It says natural on the jar, but it tastes good, which means it's not healthy. Yeah. Pictures. Alright, shower time. You know, come with me and shower. I just popped out the shower and uploading footage into Windows Movie Maker, my video editor that I use because it's free. Ooh, there it is. Yeah, buddy. Now I gotta go put some shit in my hair so it doesn't look bad. Then go to work. And it's still raining! If anybody out there is rain dancing right now, stop it. Stop. Stop it right now. Do the opposite. What's the opposite of a rain dance? Like a sun cry? Shut up, phone. So do a sun cry. Everybody cry really loud at the sun and it'll come out. Right? Okay, bae. Damn it, did it again. Rainy days suck, but Whole Foods is awesome. There it is. Time to go to work. Let's make money and get people healthy. I just got off work. It was another day of training on the cash register, and it's going pretty well. I think working in the bistro at the hotel definitely helps with my confidence with cash handling and whatnot. If anybody's ever worked in a grocery store before, you'll understand when I talk about how difficult memorizing produce codes is. There's so many codes, and every time somebody brings up a single produce, you have to enter a different code, and it measures it by the weight, and it's a lot. If you've ever been to Harris Teeter, I think they have like little wheels you can scroll through at the register. We have books, but it still takes a while, and I'm trying to memorize these codes, and it's a little bit frustrating, but I'm sure it's just a matter of time. Other than that, everything's going really well. Everybody's really friendly, and if you don't shop at Whole Foods, even if you don't buy your groceries there, because it is a little bit pricier than competitors, you should get familiar with the company and what they promote and what they stand for, because it's pretty inspiring stuff, and they're great. They do great work out in the world, and they also do good work internally with their employees or team members, trying to help develop them in their professional and personal lives. It's pretty cool. Now I'm just headed home, and I'm gonna go upload some footage and work on this vlog for the day. What's up, guys, girls, people who watch this? Richard, you're probably the only one that will see this. It's the end of the day, and I just got in bed. Feels like a long day. I actually slept a lot last night, and I didn't have to work until the afternoon, but it feels like it's been really busy. Might be the workout. I'm glad that I got to take the camera into the gym. It was a goal of mine to be able to record myself working out and not be embarrassed about it. So yeah, accomplishment. Tomorrow I will do more. Oh, tomorrow I think I'm going to Salisbury because Maggie is back from Hawaii, and I haven't seen her in 6 months. So I think I'm going to go down there and spend the night tomorrow night and hang out because I miss her. So that'll be awesome. So now I'm going to edit my first full-length vlog. Wish me luck. Good night.